Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to share someone's story in your own story in Instagram. So right now I'm gonna show you the exact way to share someone Instagram story to your story. So first of all, go ahead and open the Instagram story, and now all you have to take a screenshot of the Instagram story. So open the story and just take a screenshot. Okay, once you successfully captured a screenshot of the story, now go to your gallery and just open the captured screenshot. So, I'm going to opening my screenshot here. Okay, now we have to crop the screenshot a little bit. So tap on edit, and now you have to remove this time and your phone top panel. So crop this like this, and okay, now just tap on save. Now we will re-upload this story screenshot. So go to your Instagram and just tap on your story and select the captured screenshot, and you can resize the screenshot like this and just tap on send. Your story, share, done. And once uploaded, I'm going to opening, and as you can see, I've successfully added someone story in my Instagram story. So this is the only way to do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.